Understanding the project charter. The project charter is a vital document in project management, marking the official start of any project. It formally approves the project and grants the project manager the authority to execute the project using company resources. The charter defines the project's objectives, scope, and key stakeholders, laying a solid foundation for the project's success. It ensures everyone involved understands the project's goals, timeline, and budget, while also identifying potential risks. A well-written charter serves as a guide throughout the project, helping the team stay on track and adapt to any changes. What sets a project charter apart? A project plan is a detailed document outlining how the project will be executed, including specific tasks, resources, and deadlines. The project charter, on the other hand, is an initial proposal that seeks stakeholder approval for the project's goals and objectives. The project brief is a simplified version of the plan, offering an easy-to-reference overview, while the business case evaluates the project's potential value to the business. Why use a project charter? A project charter helps avoid conflicts, ensuring that all aspects are considered before work begins. It helps determine if the project is worth pursuing, provides a budget outline, and offers a clear path to project success. By following the guidelines in the project charter, the team can work with confidence, knowing they're aligned with the project's objectives and milestones,